Okay, so now I'm gonna try a dirty pour flip cup. And again, I'm using gold, yellow, and violet. So in a dirty pour, you put all your colors in one cup. So I'm going to start off with gold. Oh, in the paints, I have, again, Artist Loft paints with some floetrol and water. And in these, I've also added some silicone because I'm looking to get some cells in this painting. So 2 to 3 drops of silicone. So we'll start with gold. Put a little bit there. Purple or violet. We'll go ahead and put in some violet. I want to put it in slowly. Okay. Oh, of course I'm spilling it on the canvas. Great. I'm gonna layer gold in between each of my paints, just for the fun of it. I love gold. A little bit more gold on top of the purple. Okay. Some yellow. A little bit more gold, just a tiny bit of gold. Okay, some violet. Tiny bit of gold. Some yellow. Okay, I'm running low on yellow. My cup is getting full. Put a tiny bit of gold. And some violet. Okay. Next step. Put the canvas over the cup and flip. Okay. And then I'm gonna move it off center a little and then lift it up. Now my last painting, I had an issue getting the corners all covered. So because of that, I am going to put some paint at the corners, put some puddles at the corner. Oh, I see a lot of cells coming up, which is good. I don't have a torch. I was thinking about using a blow dryer, but I may not have to. So let's take a look. Okay, so now let's tilt it. And here it is, my first dirty pour. Dirty flip cup pour, I believe that's what it's called. I still see some white frame, some white in the canvas. Okay. I think it's good. Okay. Thanks for watching.